Good morning. Welcome to this vlog. Yeah, a lovely another morning. Okay, Coco, here's your breakfast. Yeah, here you go, Coco. Okie dokie, Cokie. We got you a Tweety here. You go, Coco. Yummy delicious. Hey, welcome to this vlog. Yeah, so today was a good day. I'm tired. Exhausted. I'm always tired. Exhausted. Long days. I'll do it tomorrow again. No, I don't want to do it. But we'll do it. Fine. We'll be fine. My friend's doing great. It's raining in Florida right now. It's raining right now. Anything else to say? I'll see you guys tomorrow for their vlog. Like, share, peace out.